her car, blocking the road and smiling at the officer approaching her. Let's listen to what happened next.
That's fine, dude. I'm not mad, boy.
Show your face.
I'm not mad.
That's okay. We don't change our plates every morning, just so you know. It'll be the same plate when you come talk to us later. That's fine. U.S. citizen, former. You want to come at us? You want to come at us? I say go get yourself some lunch, big boy. Go ahead.
Out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
All right, take it back.
Whoa!